Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Philips Beardtrimmer 5000 series, the model BT5502/15, advanced precision, ultimate control for a perfect beard, one pass even trim, 2 times more precision with a lift and trim pro system, adjust to a different length from 0.2mm precision settings to match every beard, trims evenly and captures low-lying hairs, with a self-sharpening stainless steel blades for zero maintenance, an easy but thorough cleaning, 100% waterproof beard trimmer. Well, let's open to see what we have at the box and find out more about this product and see how well it can cut my hairs. And of course we have some manuals. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. Nice, beautiful. We have this storage pouch. You can have all your accessories, the trimmer, the charger, everything inside. Philips logo here. Have it with you at your vacation, when you are traveling, protects your trimmer. The charger, the cable, it is 1.5 meters, very convenient. And the charger, it is with output 15 volt, 0.38 amps, 5.4 watt. Nice. We have this brush for cleaning. And there's the trimmer. Wow, it's beautiful. I like the design, and with this glossy plastic color silver around, it looks great. I like this texture here, it looks great. Pre-installed we have the lift and trim comb, 0.4 to 10mm. You can adjust it from here. 0.2mm precision settings, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, and goes on. Let me show you guys. And it goes to 10. Very precise settings, I like that. And of course you can just pull that and then you can install the other long beard comb from 10.4 to 20mm. Press and lock. And then again, you can see you can adjust. Precise adjustments. The precise adjustments, 0.2mm, it is until the 11.8 until the 12. Then it goes 0.5mm adjustment settings. Nice. I like this wheel. Definitely, this is one of my favorite features on a Philips trimmer. It is so easy to adjust, only with one finger if you want, and with two of course, and do your job. I like it. You can pull that out, pull this. We have the self-sharpening stainless steel blades. You can clean it with the included brush here or in front of the blade. And it is very easy to install. Just install this area first and then press and it locks. Pull, press and locks. 5000 series it says here. I like this black and light gray color with a silver at the front. Definitely it looks great. Switching on and I can see the LEDs flashing, the battery is empty. We have a light indicate when battery is low, empty, full or charging. Well, let's plug it in. We need to fully charge it before the first use. And now we have green light is flashing. Now to charge this nickel metal hydride battery, It takes about 1 hour from 0% to 100% capacity, and you can use it for up to 90 minutes. And it has 5 minutes quick charge function that gives you enough power for one trim. And of course you can use it when it's charging without a problem. Just press the button and you can see it's working as it's charging. Nice, I like it. Definitely it has power. Now let's wait until fully charged. Green light, it is fully charged. After 1 hour, let's unplug the cable. And I will try it on my right hand. On my left hand, I have trimmed it with this Philips trimmer. By the way, you can check the video after the end of this video or down below in the description. Definitely you will find it very interesting because it's doing a good job and this trimmer. Let's try it with this comb, the 0.4 to 10 millimeter. 0.4 millimeter on. Nice! I like it. Good job. Now let's use it directly only with the self-sharpening blades. Nice, I like it. It is very smooth. And now I will try on 0.4 millimeter. It is the lowest. Nice, I like it. And of course you can remove that. Very friendly for body trimming. And it feels very smooth. I like it. The results are great. Now I will try on the lowest 0.4 millimeter. Nice, I like it, very good results. And you can see all that in front of the Beardtrimmer. Now let's try without the comb. For a thinner cut. Nice. I like the results. And you can see at this side I have used this Philips Beardtrimmer. You can check all about this trimmer after the end of this video, right in the corner or down below the description. If I'm going to do a comparison between these two Philips trimmer, definitely I like this more. And now let's cut the hair with a 10.4mm to 20mm comb, adjusted at 20mm. I know this is a bird trimmer and is not made to use for cutting hairs, but if you want to cut your hair on lowest scale, definitely it can do that, as we can see, without a problem. And now I'm going to use the 0.4mm comb to 10.4mm. I have adjusted on maximum 10.4mm. You can use it and for cutting your hair if that is suitable for you at these cutting scales. It's making a great cut for my beard, even for body hair trimming. I like a lot that you can fully charge it within 1 hour, and is very convenient the scrolling wheel that adjusting the length of the comb. With only one finger you can do all the adjustments. It cost about 45 euros, and until now I'm very happy to use this beard trimmer. Well guys, thank you again for watching this long video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second, press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.